Okay guys, so welcome to my new video, and in this video I'm going to unbox the 1x18 diecast model of Suzuki Jimny. But before that, I'm also going to announce the winners of Royal Enfield giveaway. So these are the 4 winners of the Royal Enfield giveaway. Congrats to the winners and thanks to all for participating in the giveaway. So you can buy this model for 13,000 rupees from automania.in. I will provide the link in the description of the video. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, share. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.